Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to go over my doTERRA LRP Unboxing for November. Real excited for this. Every month it's like Christmas in a box, and that's because it helps me to develop my wellness lifestyle as well as help other clients with regards to theirs. And so that way we're being more proactive with our health. We're not waiting until something happens. I can keep a nice inventory of things and basically just kind of keep things in check. And what I do to get well is what I do to stay well, so I don't wait till I'm in a ditch to do something. I'm able to basically adjust and tweak my quality of life as well as my clients as well. And so without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so we have our package here. Let's get her opened up. Alright, let's see, where is the tape at? It'd be on this side, Boom, pretty easy to open. Yeah, look at all that good stuff right there. Oh my goodness. Liquid gold and other precious items up in here. So, alright, so first we're going to start off with this, which is, we have Melaleuca or tea tree oil. You see that? Boom! This is really good for the skin. Supports a lot of the skin regimen that I have in the morning. I'll use this with fractionated coconut oil and some other oils as well. I did a video on that as well. Ran out of Digest Zen. This stuff is clutch, especially at night. Sometimes my tummy gets a little bit, rumbly, and I need something to rub on it. This is really, really good. This has so many good oils in it. This is a great blend for anything with the stomach or digestion. And then we have some other oils here. We have lime. I ran out of lime as well. I put lemon and lime oil in my waters with apple cider vinegar as well as some reverse osmosis water. Very alkaline, cleanses and detoxes the body. And speaking of, there it is, lemon, one of my go-to oils as well. So these two right here are really amazing in waters. So 1 drop per 4 ounces, 2 drops per 8 ounces, or 4 drops per 16 ounces. For cleansing of the liver and kidneys, as well as adding some flavor to your waters. You're going to want to put this in glass or stainless steel containers because citrus oils can leach out the petrochemicals out of plastics. So it's really good for detoxing your body, not so good for plastic containers, or styrofoam is a no-no. So keep that in mind with those. This is the special for the month. See the soft gels, as well as giving the gift. Alright, so we're going to keep going. Next, oils. Wild orange, boom, another go-to oil. Like to use this on my hands. Sometimes I put it in my waters as well. We got clove, which is the free product of the month. One of the highest antioxidant oils in the world. Very, very high on the ORAC score, which measures antioxidant capabilities. Got another lemon. So I got a lot of free oils this month, by the way, so I can show you which ones I got for free, but anything that I basically doubled, I got for free. Actually, I think I got all of, let me see, does it show on my list what I got for free or not? No, it doesn't, but I got a lot of product for free. I used like 160 points, so it was significant. Wild orange, boom, we'll be using that. I got the On Guard toothpaste as well, so this is naturally whitening as well and has the On Guard blend in it. Very, very good for your teeth. Let's see. Got the fractionated coconut oil. So this is odorless, non-greasy, and I use this on my face after I shower and in the morning as a part of my facial regimen. This is really, really good lotion replacement, and so I really love this for the non-greasy aspect of it and how it also helps the essential oils absorb better into your skin. So very good for topical use. Then we got the enzymes, which helps break down your food. So there's 10 different enzymes in here, as well as the probiotics. And so I use this every day. So for the rule of thumb with the TerraZymes, you want to use 1 if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 if your meal is 3/3 cooked or all the way cooked. So that way it helps to break down fats, carbs, proteins, fibers, all that fun stuff. And that way your organs don't have to work as hard. And then this is really just good to use to support your microbiome or your gut health, the probiotics. So this is really, really important. And then let's see what else we got up in here. Okay. Oh, more oils. Yeah. Yeah, I got like I said, I used a lot of points this month. So we got the On Guard oil blend right here. So this supports your immune system. Really good for your hands too. Really great for diffusing too when people are under the weather around you. Boom. And then we got another Melaleuca here, or tea tree oil. Again, great for the skin, very cleansing to the skin. And then I got my V-Shake. So this is good for my green smoothies, good source of protein and fiber, and I drink at least a quart, sometimes 2 every day, in addition to my other meals as well, to help support energy, digestion, and weight management. So this is really, really key and a part of my wellness lifestyle. Alright, and then let's go with I got the vegan lifelong vitality pack. Boom. Supports your energy, digestion, your cellular health. So this is the whole food multivitamin here. So this is the Microplex VMZ. It fills in the gap from what you don't get from your food. So this is really important to supplement in your diet. And then we have some more here. Boom, the Alpha CRS Plus supports with cellular health and antioxidants as well. So this is a natural form of energy, no sugar, no caffeine. Definitely needed in today's diet, or lifestyle, should I say. And then the VE Omega, so this is the vegan version, but this helps, this has 9 essential oils and supports brain, joint, and muscle function with omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. So really, really important, the trio right there. And then the last item that I got was, oh, gotta open it up this way. So this is actually the shampoo, and I use this as a body wash. Let me just open this up here. Goodness. Okay, alright. Alright, so this is the this is the shampoo that I use as a body wash, boom. And you just kind of turn that and whoop, it'll pop open, and then it's a pump. And this will last me at least 2 or 3 months, and this is great. It has a great smell, it's very cleansing, has wild orange and lime oil essential in it, some of my favorite citrus oils. And just, if you have hair, obviously, use this as a shampoo. They have a conditioner this size too, and this is where you get the most savings with regards to this size. That's why I choose this, and because I don't have hair, at least up top, wait, family-friendly show, right? This is basically going to help cleanse my skin, and it bubbles up really nicely. And yeah, there we go, boom, shampoo. So voila, here's a part of my wellness lifestyle every month. So I'm filling in the gaps from my inventory that I used or sold to folks, but also helping myself with my own health and becoming a product of the product so I can increase my quality of life and continue to strive to do things with excellence online, locally, and just when I'm out and about. Thank you so much for watching today's LRP unboxing video for November. If you got some value out of today's video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.